Today, we're drawing a happy little duck who knows how to take it slow and smile. Let's begin by drawing the outline in black. You can use any colors you like. It's your own little duck. Start by coloring the duck's head and body in soft gray. Next, let's give her an orange beak. Then, color both little feet with the same orange. To finish up, let's add 2 pink blush spots to the cheeks. And now, we can add a soft shadow to give our duck a cozy, round look. All done. What a happy little duck you've created. Waddle less, smile more. That's this duck's secret.